Hi, in this video we will talk about a line command. Line command we can select it from the command panel. Also, we have a draw panel area. From there we can select the line command. Similarly, in BricsCAD we have a command quad section. From the quad section we can select the line. So while providing the first point, we have different options for creating a line for providing the second point of a line, that is angle and length. And when we select the angle option, we just need to provide an angle value. And after that, we can just provide the length of the line. Similarly, in BricsCAD, we have an option called DYN or a dynamic input, as well as we have the option called ortho. So ortho is basically used for creating a line in 0 degree, 90 degree, 180. And similarly, dynamic input is basically used when you don't want to showcase or show the dimension on the screen. You just want to put the value from the command line section. So that time you can turn off the dynamic input. And for creating the lines, we have different options. We have different coordinate system option. We have the option for creating line by using the values from the keyword. Similarly, in BricsCAD, we have the entity snap and the entity tracking option. And by using these two options, we can easily track any kind of a point for creating the line. So coordinate system is so much useful when you want to create a line basically based on the coordinate values. And if you want to use the length, or if you don't want to use these options, or if you want to use the value from the dynamic input, we have the option. When we turn on the dynamic input, all the values are visible on the screen, and by just using the tab button, we can manipulate between the length or the angle. So easily you can create any kind of a shape using the line command. And similarly, we can use the entity snap and the entity track to track the object. Now the second is a multi-line command. Multi-line is basically used when we want to create basically two lines at the same time, and we have some offset value or the gap between these two lines. We can justify these two values easily. So multi-line is basically used while creating the floor plan. We can use this option because in multi-line we can do the modification easily. Just like a line command, we can do the modification in the multi-line option. So in multi-line we have the option called a justification. So basically this justification part is basically designed how you want to create a line. So we can also select it from the quad section. That is also possible. But I was talking about the justification. So justification is the part of the line. We have a width object. So where you can just provide a value like from the top you want to create or from the middle you want to create. So according to your requirement, you can select a appropriate point. And as per the point, you can provide the position of the line while providing the length or the angle. That all points you can do it easily. Now the next part is ray line. So ray line is basically used when you want to create a line. The line having a specific start point, but we don't have any kind of an end point. The end point is infinite. So when you want to create any kind of a reference line from a starting point, and majorly this is used in creating the perspective view, that time we can use this option. And the last part is a construction line. So construction line is also used for creating a floor plan or any kind of a line where you want a horizontal or vertical reference line. So that time we can use the construction line option. We have different options like horizontal, vertical, angle, bisecting, or we also have a parallel. Parallel means a offset option. If you have any kind of offset value, that time you can provide a parallel option. So according to your requirement, you can select the option, and just you need to in the parallel you just need to provide the value, and then you can easily offset it. So this is the complete tutorial of the line command. We will create one more tutorial for the polyline command, because in polyline we have multiple options. So we will cover it separately in a different video. So I hope you like this video. If you liked it, just subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a great day.